What's up, y'all? Alright, I'm going to try this again for the 4th time today. This GoPro is the worst, and I've tried every SD card you can imagine. I had some recommendations for different SanDisk, Sony's, Samsung, so I've tried them all, and for some reason my camera just cuts out in the middle of a ride or whatever. So I'm going to try this again. So this is just a ride along. I don't have any installs or nothing in particular to talk about. It's just a gorgeous day here in Middle Tennessee, low 60s, sunny. So I just passed through Adams, Tennessee, which was going to be my my highlight, but I'm not going to go back and do that. So, but anyways, it's beautiful out here. So I thought I would just take y'all along, just for a quick ride on the old XSR700 with the Two Brothers exhaust, of course. Sounds as badass as it ever has. Man, if you are looking for an exhaust system, I don't know the availability overseas, but I'm sure you can get it over there. And if you're as lucky as we are here in the States, at least in Tennessee, where there's not much restriction on what exhaust you're running, look at the Two Brothers SR1 system. It's second to none. It's friggin' badass, as you can tell. So anyways, so yeah, let's just ride. This is one of my favorite places of all time to ride, just up through the farm roads of Tennessee. Tobacco has been harvested and hung, and it's being cured. So you'll see some barns around here smoking with that incredible smell of drying out the tobacco leaves. See right here ahead, there's a tobacco barn smoking, so oh man, it's gonna smell good. Yep, see it there. So since we just passed through Adams and I didn't capture that, what I might do in the next couple of weeks is do a Halloween themed ride. So we'll go up through Adams, Tennessee. If you're not familiar with that, that's the home of the Bell Witch Cave. Famous for, of course, the story of the Bell Witch. So if you don't know what that is, look that up. It's a really interesting story. So that'll be it's a beautiful ride up to Adams. So that might be a good idea to do a quick stop there. And as you can see there in the distance, there's another tobacco farm, and the soybeans are looking pretty terrible. We're in the middle of a drought, or at the tail end of a drought here in Middle Tennessee. So these poor farmers, I don't know where that goes, but let's see what happens. Sunnyslope Farm. No clue where this goes, but it's half the fun. Glad I took this road. There's nothing like riding through these canopies. It's so cool. But you do have to be careful, because these shadows on the pavement can hide a lot of things. Gravel patches, wet leaves. You gotta be careful. Tobacco barn there smoking. Oh yeah. See, sometimes you have no clue where these roads go, but they end up being awesome. And this is this is a prime example. I've never been on this road, but it's pretty sweet. This is my turn, so I'm gonna go. I think I know where I am now. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna turn around real quick up here. Alright, so that's where that goes. Huh. GoPro still working. That's a good sign. Well, again, I think I mentioned this been having some trouble with my GoPro. Might be time to invest in something else. So if y'all have any recommendations on another action camera, let me know. I've not been happy with my GoPros. I've had 3 so far, and they just, again, I don't know if it's the SD cards or what it is, but I mean, I've gone through several SD cards, tried them all, almost all of them with high storage capacities, low. I've tried the SanDisk Extreme, the Ultra Pro, the Samsung continuous recording option. I mean, it's just, I just have not had any luck. So I'm riding with the Revit Fly 2 perforated gloves, and it's about time to switch over to my winter gloves. These are quite drafty. Awesome gloves, but they are, yeah, they're getting cold. I have another pair of Revit, I don't know the exact model name, but they're Revit winter gloves, and they're awesome. thanks for riding along. Starting to get into the neighborhood area, so not quite as scenic. So again, thanks for riding. Hope y'all have a good weekend, and be on the lookout for that. I'll try to do a little Halloween video up to Bell Witch, the Bell Witch Cave. So that might be kind of a cool ride. Interesting story there. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see y'all next time.